welcome to my channel. My name is Selena Zenchuk. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you consider joining our family. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, this is something a little bit different from my regular content, but I just decided to make this video so I can also thank you guys and also let you know all what the support you've been showing to my channel, how far I have come, and how much I am making on YouTube. So this video is to talk about my first YouTube paycheck, which I got from AdSense. There are so many ways in which you can get paid on YouTube. Some of the ways is through affiliate links, through brand, but my channel is very small, so I'm just going to be concentrating on AdSense. Google AdSense is the way you get paid on YouTube. So Google AdSense is ads running on your video, and if someone interacts with that ad, or if someone clicks on that ad or watch the food ad, if they do not press the skip button, YouTube get paid, and through that we as content creator we also get paid. So if someone watches that ad or click on that ad, whatever money YouTube make, we get a percentage from it. So through that we are able to get paid through Google AdSense. So this is a whole procedure. This is so many things that you need to reach to be able to get that. The first step is that you need to have 1,000 subscribers, and then you need to have 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours. That is a lot of hours that people need to watch your video for. So a little background about my channel. I just have some notes here for me to look over. So I created my channel on 27th of June of 2017, and then I upload my first video on July 6th of 2017. So after I upload that video, I didn't really at that time decided to start making YouTube videos, so I just uploaded my natural hair video and I left it there for a year, a whole year. I really started to create content on YouTube around March of 2019. So from March of 2019, I used to put 2 videos up a week. And then just 2 months ago, I started putting 3 videos up a week. Now, when I started my regular upload in March with the 2 videos up a week, I noticed that my black rice water started to get more traction. That video started to bring me a lot of subscribers, not a lot, but more than what I used to get. So I started getting subscribers, and then I also started getting my watch hour from those videos. So I continue to make black rice water video, which I am excited about because I am also benefiting from the rice water with my hair. And then I saw that people also love those videos, so I started to really experiment with rice water, and that's how I was able to get my 4,000 watch hour and my 1,000 subscribers. On June 19 of 2019, I got monetized. I reached my 4,000 watch hours and my 1K subscriber. And then so my channel went into review June 19, and then I got approved on June 27. So 8 days later, I got an email with YouTube telling me that my channel got approved, and then that I am now part of the YouTube partner program, in which ads can start running on my videos, and through that I can start getting paid from it. So I can say within 2 months of my constant upload that reach me to being monetized. So I know I hear a lot of big YouTubers talking about it. You need to be constant with YouTube. Don't just put one video out and then just think that one video gonna expand. YouTube as a small content creator, we struggle a lot to get subscribers and to get people to watch our videos. Some people just think because you are a small YouTuber, so your content is not valuable, which is not true. There are so many small content creators out there that have very awesome videos. So I will also encourage you guys to also start watching small content creator channel, because they also have good video to present. So I reached my first $100 on August 15 of 2019. Yes, I wrote that down. I reached my first $100 on August 15, and then after that, okay, this is how it works. When you are monetized, you have to get your first $10, and then Google will send you a code, which is to verify your address. So when you reach your first $10, they will send you that code. Now, where the problem comes in, getting that code takes a very, very long time. So this is where your AdSense code will come in. So I saw this envelope, I knew straight because I have seen so many other videos on it. So when I opened it, it was my AdSense code to verify my home or my work or whatever, just to verify your address. So when you receive this code, you need to go onto YouTube, and then there's a place there for you to verify your address. So you put in that code, and then they will let you know that your address has been verified. Now the next step is for you to verify your bank account. So I did everything on the same day. I verified my address on the same day, and then I also put in my bank information on that same day. When I put in my bank information, YouTube or Google or AdSense, they are all the same company. That's why I'm just calling all of those names, but they are all one. So they will send you few cents into that account to verify it as well. Anything under $1. So they sent the few cents into my bank account. Now you have to take the exact cent more money that they deposited into your bank account of just little amount. You have to take that exact money and go and put it into the YouTube app also. So when you put that in, and if it's correct, they will tell you yes, your bank account have been verified. Now the next step, after your bank account have been verified, you need to reach a threshold of $100 before they can send any money into that account. Even if you made $99.99 for that month and it does not reach the $100 threshold, you are not going to get paid. It will be transferred to the following month. So that's just something you need to know, just in case you're thinking, oh, I made $75 this month, so I'm expecting that money. No, you're not going to get that money until you reach $100 each month, or else they send it to the next month. If you want to start YouTube, don't just look at the money aspect, or else you will get discouraged. Because number one, it takes time. Number two, it also takes investment in your time and money. And there are so many YouTubers out there who quit their job to do YouTube full time because they are getting the amount of money to cover all their bills. But if you are a small content creator like me, or even, I don't know, YouTube cannot pay your bills. So do not go and quit your job to start YouTube full time without you knowing how much YouTubers get paid, or without you knowing how fast your channel is going to grow. because it is a struggle out here for small content creator. It is a big struggle. It is a big struggle getting the views. It is a big struggle getting the subscribers. Even though the subscribers don't count, it's your YouTube views that count, because you get paid when people watch your videos, watch your full videos, and if they watch your ad. So if you are my full supporter, come on, watch the ad, watch my full video. Don't just watch few minutes and go down in a comment and leave a comment down. It's not nice. If you are here to support me full. Anyway, I digressed. So if you are looking at YouTube for a full-time job, you should know, because it's not all honey and and so out there. It's a really big struggle. Okay, so now coming to how much I made on YouTube for all these months and all my effort and what I put into it. I know that's exactly what you guys want to know. That's why you even click on this video. If you're not my regular supporter, you want to know how much I made. Don't get discouraged and don't be sad, but I'm excited for it. So on my YouTube Studio app, it shows that I made $196. So I don't know, I'm pretty new to this, so I don't know how that side of YouTube work. But the 21st of September, YouTube deposited an amount into my account, and then they sent me an email, but I did not check it until today. And then when I checked my bank account, in my bank account I received $111.19. So I don't know if the $198 is 198 196 among those two that is showing on my YouTube Studio app. I don't know if YouTube also take their percentage from that money, or YouTube send me this amount and next month they're going to add it to what I make to send it. But that does not make sense, because the app is telling me I made $198, and then in my bank account I saw only $111. Okay, one more thing I also forgot to mention. So when before you also set up all of your banking information and then your Google AdSense, they will also ask you to put in your tax information. If you are under the age of 18, you can use your parents' tax identification number. But for me, I run a business also. So if you don't know, head over to secrets.net and order some of your awesome natural hair oils and butters. I'll leave the link also down in the description box. So YouTube is also part of that business. So I just use the company tax identification number for my YouTube, because both of them link. If I advertise my product on YouTube and if I'm making YouTube video, I just put all as a one word. So that's something also you need to put into consideration. You need to put in your tax information. Okay, let me just go over this very fast. So number one, you need your 1,000 subscriber. Number two, you need 4,000 watch hour. Number three, you need to set up your Google AdSense account. That's how you're going to get paid from ads running on your video. After you set up your Google AdSense account, and if you have your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscriber, your channel will automatically go into review. When your channel go into review and you get approved, ads will start running on your video. And then when you are setting up your AdSense, you also need to put in your tax information. When you reach $10, Google will send you a code to verify your address. You need to put that code into YouTube, and then to verify your address. After, you will have to put in your bank information, and then you also have to verify your bank information. After you verify your bank information, you have to reach $100 to get paid on YouTube. And that will flow every month. Every month you have to reach at least $100 to get paid on YouTube. So that is the whole procedure. If you are thinking into doing YouTube, I will say go for it for the fun and do something that you love doing, but don't look at the money aspect. Maybe your channel will blow up. You wouldn't be like me to struggle to acquire subscribers and watch time. Then I wish you all the blessing, but put so many things into consideration before planning to do YouTube. And I will advise you not to invest a lot into YouTube until you start getting some money back from it. Do not go and buy expensive camera, expensive lighting, expensive this, whole bunch of products and so, except you have the money to throw out there, but YouTube not going to give it back to you just like that. You need to work very hard for it. Okay guys, so this is it. If you love this video, please give me a like. If you just love my personality, or if you are new to my channel, I will appreciate it if you can join my family by hitting that subscribe button down below and clicking the little bell next to it so you can get notification each time I upload a new video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.